Hello YouTube, it's your girl Kim. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. In today's video, I will be unboxing / opening my hair Maiden India hair. So I bought this hair because, you know, I'm looking for some new hair. And I'm going to open it up, tell you guys my thoughts, how much I paid for it. So let's get into it. Keep watching. So I have been forgetting to do this part in the intro, but y'all already know the deal. Subscribe, hit the notifications bell. I promise you, you're going to want to see my videos just in your subscription timeline. So, you know, just help me help you and just have my videos there waiting for you on demand. Okay? Boom. But this is my braided hairstyle that I actually hate. It looks nothing like the picture I showed them, but we all know how that goes when you go to the braiding place and they're like, yeah, I got it, I could do it. And now I look like somebody's whole cone head auntie, but you know what, it is what it is. We're gonna roll with it. So, on to hair made in India. So basically, I was looking for real Indian hair. So I was looking around the internet and everything, and this company, based on their marketing materials, because that's what it is, they seemed fake trustworthy. So I was like, let me buy the hair and see what it is. So I got 4 bundles of the North Indian temple hair. Off the bat, I'm gonna say okay, let me tell y'all the prices. Basically, I got 4 bundles for $5.62. So I think the most expensive bundle was like $140 something or $124, and then the cheapest bundle was probably like $100. This is not packaging for $600 hair. I'm gonna just tell you that right now. Their colors on their printed materials are gold and black, and then to get a broken drawstring bag, this side's coming out, this side was still legit, but I'm just like, that's already a not good look. But we're gonna show y'all the hair. So boom, this is actually a perfect example. So if you look at the front of the hair, does the 18-inch have the sticker? No, the 18-inch doesn't have the sticker. You see the 20-inch? So half of their branding is pink and half of their branding is black and gold. And I'm like, for this much money, y'all should be able to pick a consistent color scheme. But anyway, 18-inch bundle, 18-inch bundle, 20-inch bundle, 22-inch bundle, 24-inch bundle. All I'm going to say is thank God I got 4 bundles, because these bundles seem real thin. So this is the straight hair. It says straight at the bottom. So yeah, I never opened the packaging or anything yet. So I'm going to be the first person to open it with y'all. So, it says I had 10 days to return the hair after I received it. So, that's why I'm really trying to crank out this video to make sure I like it. Oh, you see that? Oh, the static. To make sure I really like this hair before I keep it. I hope. Okay, so first of all, we're going to touch it. One strand. Okay, it's one strand that was crinkly. Okay. Okay. I was about to say, y'all are getting my real first reaction, because this is what I really legit do when I open these hairs. So I'm going to smell it. It smells like real hair. It does not smell manufactured. Okay. There's one more. So 2 strands is not too bad. These bundles just seem so thin. Like, I might have to make a spaced out version just so my wig is like complete, and then go back and buy more bundles, because it's like, this is it? That's it? Damn. But this hair is so pretty and it feels so good. It's like, damn, is it worth it? And it smells like real Indian hair. So that's the 24-inch. I'm going to open the 18-inch because that's usually the longer bundles are thinner. So I'm just, also this is my first time getting straight hair, so I'm just nervous on top of the fact that it's like, with straight hair, I do see people who are like, oh, this is my straight hair wig and it has 15 bundles. And I just did not want to pay that much money exactly to have real hair. So I mean, this is expensive hair. This is the 18-inch I'm about to take out. I'm not trying to go down the route with the cheap AliExpress hairs. I already know how that goes. This is the 18-inch. The 18-inch feels drier, but also no hairs are coming out of this 18-inch. Yeah, no hairs from the 18-inch. So, and the 18-inch is a little thicker. But I usually do double weft in the back and then single weft all the way up. So I'm looking at this just like, thank God I have leave out, because this is not enough hair really. Like, I don't know. I also am being more cognizant of my edges, that I don't want to have wigs that are too heavy or hair that's too heavy. What I will say for someone who's interested in buying this hair is that it smells like real Indique. I've had pure Indique, expensive $1,000 hair. This is more similar to $1,000 hairs than the $150 5 bundle hairs. So I'm thinking that this is real Indian hair, and single donor, all that jazz that they sing. I believe it. But I'm also just like, dag, these bundles seem small. So that is the 18-inch bundle. I mean, I'll try and hold it back so you can see the full 18 inches, but this just seems real small. So I'll keep you guys posted when I make my wig and how it goes and trying it on. You don't want to put too much hair on these wigs, because then it's like weighing down your edges and stuff, and then that's how they get thin and start falling out and all that good stuff. But so far I am liking the hair texture and the smell, feel, and lack of hair coming out these smaller bundles, shorter bundles. So I'm going to make my wig and then come back with like an initial review of me just wearing it. But again, this is the Indian Maiden India hair, and this is the 18 inch. This is the straight hair. So the ends look good though. That's what I'm really impressed by. That the ends look real healthy and no split ends, and it's looking like a good product. So this 18 inch is what I expect from a bundle. These other ones seem thin, but we're gonna see what happens. So stay tuned for future videos featuring this hair. Alright, thank you so much for coming to watch this video. Again, this is hair made in India. So I will show the bag one more time. Like I said, I also put the full specs and the prices of what I paid, just so you guys can see. And I will be bringing more videos to you once this is a wig, once I wear it, and whether I think you guys should invest in this hair. But thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much, I meant to say, for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Have a great day.